Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to disable microphone TCL Android TV. As well as speaking to the remote, you can also speak directly to the TV to operate functions. Locate the microphone on-off toggle on the underside of the TV. Switch the microphone on-off toggle on the underside of the TV to enable the TV microphone. TV microphone is enabled, will be displayed on the screen. Speaking clearly, give a command or ask a question, e.g., "Hey Google, what's the weather today?" Google Assistant will answer your question or carry out the command you have asked. Switch the microphone on-off toggle on the underside of the TV to disable the TV microphone. TV microphone is dispelled, will be displayed on the screen. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.